full charge your phone or power bank, and then kanang before that typhoon happen, kanang before that typhoon happen, load your phone first so you can contact your family. Guys, welcome to Mommy Daily Life in Motion Vlog. Kung naay bagyo, kung naay typhoon, paingon nga typhoon, we need to prepare the foods like this one, canned goods, so the candles. If you have a flashlight, that's good. I have a candles here, and lighter or kanang posporo. I have a posporo here. This one posporo. Fire kuan candles, and
itlog ra man imong gika.
Noodles, kanto. We have eggs. Eggs. Yeah, I have 1 tray of eggs, and this one coffee, and also the milk, water. Water is important. I have water. Thank you for that sponsor. And we need to prepare, guys. Full charge your phone or power bank, and then kanang before that typhoon happen, load your phone first so you can contact your families if kanang magkakumustahay, if okay lang ba, wala by damage, kumusta nang like that. Then kanang safety first, then or if you are in kanang kung naa mo sa bati nga kanang lugar nga nagpuyo nang dali mabahaan, you need to go to the school. You'll go to evacuees like covered court, or the government prepared the evacuees center. So the little video reminder, your documents, your kanang your important documents, you need to kanang poston og plastic, put in the safe place your documents, so and then all of the kids are safe, and you need to prepare the foods. So that's all. And if that calamity happens, it's kuana. You have there. But sometimes some of people here in the Philippines did not afford to buy some goods, or like kanang kuan you moadto ka sa government prepare some goods or relief goods. They prepare, or kanang like here in Toledo is Mayor prepared the kanang relief goods at Toledo Sports Center. So the evacuees are safe, and they can eat good, and they are safety, and kuan kanang we have a free medical consultation. So thank you for watching, guys. Friendly reminder.